Did you know there's a quicker way to move through queues in ONYX? Let's look into this queue list. You see that there are different fade times, but I want to skip these timings and jump to Q3 directly. How can I do that? I need to look for the snap button, and this you will find on the PC version, for example, under the fader view. You can open that with this little icon here on the bottom. And there on the main Go section, you will find the snap button. I will hold this snap button and then I type in Q3, enter. Now you see that ONYX will instantly snap into Q3. No fade, no waiting, because sometimes you just want to get there immediately. One use case for me is to check my recorded queue lists. I want to cycle through them without fade timings. I already have selected this queue list. Then I hold the snap button again, and then I'm using the main Go button on the right here. ONYX will snap through my queue list. And yes, this is also working backwards. When I now hold the snap button and touch the back button, then it will cycle through my queues reverse. This is one of those small workflow tricks that saves a surprising amount of time.